Since the last video, I experimented much with my self-built EDM machine. Thanks to your many tips, I greatly improved the EDM process for my special thin electrodes. Diesel as a dielectric gives even better results than lamp oil, and a bigger filtering system keeps it cleaner. Next, I tested pure electrolytic copper, which works a bit better, but the wear remains too high. I made many tests to stabilize the burn. Normal graphite has to be machined to size and showed a better and more stable burn with much less wear. I purchased special high-density EDM graphite and tungsten copper, made a new electrode holder, and cut the electrodes. With the right settings for my thin electrodes, very low reference voltage and window voltage, the burn is much better and the wear is greatly improved. With a high-density EDM graphite, it's possible to use even thinner electrodes. Tungsten copper is very resistant. But the thinner sheets tend to distort under wear. The burn with graphite is much more stable and the wear even better. It took many experiments to find the right parameters. With a high-density EDM graphite, the better setup and improved settings, I'm finally able to make long, deep and thin slots in stainless steel rationally. Now I can avoid the painful and lengthy process of machining the slots conventionally. I still have to research how to manufacture even smaller geometries, and as I am so fascinated by this easy RC machine, I decided to build a true pulse EDM also of the plans of Ben Fleming and ordered his PCB. Now I can finally begin to produce my new heat exchangers and continue my main passion of building better Stirling engines.